This is how close we came to ending everything. July 16th, 1945, the first atomic bomb test in New Mexico. Robert Oppenheimer watched the explosion and said, "Now I am become death, destroyer of worlds." But here's what they don't teach you. The scientists had a betting pool on whether the blast would ignite the entire atmosphere and kill every living thing on Earth. They pushed the button anyway. Today we have 13,000 nuclear warheads, 400 times more powerful than that first bomb. The same countries that said never again after Hiroshima are now moving weapons to front lines. Russia has tactical nukes in Belarus. NATO has bombs across Europe. China is tripling their arsenal. The math is terrifying. It only takes 100 warheads to create nuclear winter. We're playing the same deadly game Oppenheimer played, except this time the weapons aren't sitting in labs, they're actively being deployed. Most people think it can't happen. Most people won't be ready. Will you?